alaikum and good evening, my dear student. We took page number 10, which is about word meaning from Phonics and Spelling book. That's about the definition. So part A, write the spelling word that matches each definition below. Part of an egg is yolk. Number 2 is to stick down, paste. 3, pull something to big, lead. Number 5, a kind of tree, oak. Number 6, to crush, grind. Number 7, to say hello, greet. Number 8 was in overall idea, theme. Number 9, a kind or sort, type. Number 10, people, folks. Number 11, a mound or pile, heap. Number 12, to cut off hair, shape. So these are comparatively easy, and all are easy actually. Plead, to request, to big request, and grind, to crush, to destroy, and theme of a story or drama, overall idea, and folks, people, heaps, to mount a pile. Now moving to part B, we discussed that write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. 13, he was not paid for his work at the food bank. To pay, to give money for the service. Number 14, my friend's dad is a soccer coach. Number 15, owls hunt their prey at night. So P-R-A-Y should be also read like P-R-A-Y, prey. It means hunt their prey. So prey is the food of the hunter. So they hunt their prey, their victim. So in science, you must have come across this word prey. So hunter prey, like lion, prey, goats, or other animal. Number 16, the cook added lots of spice to the chili, spice. Number 17, she didn't aim, so she missed the basket. Aim to target something. Number 18, the bride carried a bunch of white flowers. So bride is a newly married girl, that's called bride. I saw lots of growth on the new plants. Growth, it means when increase in size and is growing. Number 20, his greed made him a selfish person. Greed, greed is bad quality, negative quality, that someone wants everything for himself or herself without giving, without helping other. So that's a greed, selfish quality. Now hopefully you will have listen this review video carefully. You have to complete page 11 and 12, that was homework. See you inshallah with a new review video in next class. Goodbye.